Start off by getting my playback data. Start off by getting this playback. In fact, let's see what I already have for the ZB. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna do the September 8th through the 13th again today. But I'm gonna erase all these markings. We're gonna start from scratch again. Boom. Boom. Remember, the time ain't start until 6 p.m. on that day. While I let that load up, I'm gonna get my notes together. Today's the 26th. Good. Today 26th. Did I rip out a page in my notebook? Or I wrote the wrong date yesterday. I just wrote it on here. I'm like, I know I had a different day. 26. Back testing the brick again. $11.26.24. The session we're testing is September 8th, 24 through September 13th. I haven't even changed it. September. I'll do September 9th through. Oh, that's a whole different contract. September 9th through the 13th. Alright, let it load. September 9th. We started at the 8th yesterday. So September 9th through the 24th. I mean, through the 13th. 2024. Sessions. One, where's the trend? Two, after we look for the trend, we want to look for where price came from. Then look where price is going. So we're starting our destination. And this is all on the higher time frames. Then we're gonna look for our road closures, our support resistance, our road closures and detours. So on the 4-hour and the 1 hour or the 60-minute. After that, my key levels. The session open price. Asia high. Asia low. overnight high, overnight low. New York open. So these are all my key levels. And I'm gonna add 60-minute exhaustion. 60-minute exhaustion. After I do that, I'm gonna look for any other confluences. I'm flipping back and forth just so I can be consistent. So the same things I looked for yesterday, I'm gonna look for today, and the day before that, and the day before that. To just get this brick wall more mechanical and less thought process into it. 6 is my brick walls. Let's see, brick walls. That's the bricks. 7 other confluences. And 8 is our pullback or retest notables. So like where I would probably want to get in a trade. So yeah, that brick wall has turned out so far to be an A+ setup. It just requires a lot of patience. Our edge is supply and demand, support resistance. Our criteria to enter is basically that we need to have find an identifiable trend, figure out where price is coming from and where it's going. Look all the way down on our 5-minute chart to see if it's respecting the levels on our higher time frames. Make sure that there's no news present or upcoming, so we're going to go check Forex Factory for the news too before we start this trading session. Other confluences, our brick wall basically consists of support and resistance level being the exact same on 60-minute and 4-hour charts. So just really strong support and resistance. And I'm gonna mark those bricks with the green and red lines. And after that, I'm gonna prior to marking the bricks, I'm gonna look for a clear supply and demand zones to help me determine the direction. Like I said, the start, so where it's coming from and where price is going. And the trend helps with that, like identifying the trend. And then after I find the supply and demand zones, I'm gonna look for my bricks, which I'm gonna label green and red. And then following that, I'm gonna look on my 250 volume chart for trends or clear support and resistance. And that's what I'm gonna use for like my entries on like a pullback or a retest. And I'm gonna mark my key levels on this 5-minute chart. And then I'm gonna find some additional support and resistance on this 5-minute and see if any of those line up with the 250 V. So a support and resistance lining up on the 250 volume chart, and also some gaps or fair value gaps. And when they line up, those will be another one of our confluences too. So we got a decent amount of confluences for this trade. That's why it's like an A+ trade, but it requires a lot of patience. We don't need all of this stuff to line up. At least two to three. Really want to do 3 to go heavy on the contracts, but 2 would still have to make it a good trade. As far as the plan, once we find a trend, we're not going to go against the trend of the higher time frame. I'm gonna wait for price on my 5-minute chart to get close enough to a brick wall to react, and I want to see how it reacts, like closer to like the end of a 4-hour or a 1-hour close. And I will only enter on like a pullback or a retest. And like once I say it has to like react to our brick wall, show enough data to it reacting around that brick wall. And the minimum risk is 2 to 1. And I'm gonna get out of the trade early if prices closes above or below our original buys for the brick wall, like during the hourly or the 4-hour candle close. And I'm never going to risk more than 6 ticks, and I'm not going to move my stop loss to break even because I got stopped out a lot by having my stop loss too tight. Entering, yeah, basically that's really the play. It's the play for the day. We're gonna check out the news for November 9th, and then we're gonna come back and mark up our charts. Except for November 9th, September 9th, my fault. September 9th through the 13th, apply settings. Again, on the 9th, we had no news. On Tuesday, nothing really significant either. And FOMC meetings later in the day. So, let's get out of here. So we're gonna come here, we're gonna start by marking up our chart. I'm gonna just look at the daily. I'm not gonna mark anything on the daily. You know what? I'm gonna start off by marking my key level. Wait, what time is it? I'm gonna push play. Alright, since I already got my open, I'm gonna mark the my key levels as far as the open price. Since I know this is here. The dotted line, you see me mark a dotted line, it'll always be for our session open. I want to see what this is, because this looks like it was a wick. But I don't think that was... It's not. It's a nice gap, though. I don't know if it's a true gap. Maybe, maybe not. Alright, so we got that session marked. We're gonna go to our 4-hour, load some more data. At least 365, a year's worth. Bring this down because I know it's about to get in the way. Alright, so let's start by looking for really like where price came from. We already got this marked as our nice little demand. I don't even know if I really want to use that as demand. With it being so far away. Is that where the run up started, or will we call for this right here? Price didn't really leave too quick up here. Let's see. Alright, this is where it went, this is where it came from. Let's find some support. I want to find like 3. We'll start close to where price is. It's here. Look like we got some support right here. Let me see. I can get it a little more. I'm gonna make it here for 4 hour. We're gonna make it orange. So we got one above, one below. Let's do one above. Got one touch, 2, 3. I really could make a zone here. Not really, because it came up and shot back down out of this. So it looked like it rejected out of that zone pretty fast. For support, I want to make one here. And I will. Yeah, about right there. That's pretty. It's probably gonna be a brick. Probably about the same on the 1 hour. It's probably the last one. Let's see how price reacted around this area. Yeah, it's more respected. Price came up to this though, came back down. Came up here, shot back down, came up, back down. Let's move down to the 60 minutes. Break one. We're gonna make our whites. We're gonna work on the white for the 60 minutes. Mark that one white. Alright, that's like another brick. One more, and that's it. Matter of fact, I might see a few more images mark just cause. Cause this could be where price is coming back to. And this would be a good buy area. Let's go to the 5 minutes, see what we can see. But I ain't got no bricks above. Let me go back to the 60. No, not really. Alright, let's go to the 5. We already got our open marked up. Don't see any gaps. That one's already filled. 26 and 24. Zero this out so we can see. Yeah, I feel like this is a good buy area. 14 and 12, maybe 13. Let's see. It's 12:03 a.m. November 9th. We're gonna play it. See if the data starts to load. Ain't no way we just marked up the chart and the data ain't loading. It's not even loading because we're past 1 and 2. Still not loading. Say deleted or we're just not there yet. Alright, let's see. So we can watch it if it loads. It doesn't come until 6. It don't come until 6 p.m. on the 8th. So the data don't start coming in, then we got a bigger issue. Yeah, it's still coming in. Oh, what's going on? Alright, so we loaded the 9th. That's how y'all playing it. Y'all don't be like this right now. You know what? It's because I rolled over these contracts, I bet. Let's see. Let's move to November. I don't even have this data downloaded. I'm gonna let it play. Let's see if the data even loads. Well, technical difficulties, man. Trying to stop us. Yeah, we're gonna disconnect and reconnect. Yeah, because I had up at 12:24 and my contracts was rolled. Let's see if they'll give it back to us on the 8th. We're gonna go back to September 8th. There we go. Alright, yeah, I just wanted to see if it was moving. Whew. It had me going for a minute, man. Figured it out though. Back to our open. Let's go to our 4-hour again. Let's just recheck, make sure our lines is here. Alright. And this is our gap we had that they took off. So in here and here. What does it look like on a higher time frame though? Nothing really. We watched it on the 5 minute yesterday. We're gonna watch it on the 60 minute today. Really gonna fast forward to the well, let it not fast forward, but like speed run it to 2 a.m. It's basically watching how these hourly candles react. Our supports down here, resistance up here, but these is two brick walls is trading in between right now. It's like ping pong. Kinda got like a 60-minute gap. I don't usually draw gaps on this time frame. I'm just drawing it because I'm here and I just want to watch how price reacts to it. So it's less cluttered. So we finally got our open at the break. We'll see the side of it this closes on. Overall, it's looking bearish, man. I wonder if price could break this low. We got a lower low than this candle. The 2 o'clock approaching, I'm gonna pause it. Switch to the 4 hour, then switch to the 5, and then come back to the 6. Alright. Switch to the 4. It's on the upside of this break. Yup. As far as our Asian session, our low is 125.10. We're gonna mark it orange, but with a dash line for our high. We gotta make this outline 0, so we can mark our high right here. Orange dash. Now we're gonna come back to our 60 minutes. watch the magic. A buy will be good here. Oh, it's 2 a.m. I wouldn't be getting into no trade at 2 a.m. Just respecting these levels from 12 to what? 16. That's 4 ticks. We ain't get over 16. We're like ranging right now. This little overnight. Alright, so it got above 16 to hit. So 17. Buy. Coming back up here. We got 30 minutes on this candle. I don't think it's gonna close under here. A little over 2. Definitely got a lower low though. But it's like with these, this 1, 2, 3. No, I don't got it coming down. Cause if it does break, we wanna see at least hit the O2. Yup, it broke. Is it gonna close? About 30 minutes on this candle. It did close. This one closed under, and that's when we took off. See that break be the storyteller. After it closed under here, yeah, it's gonna respect these, but not as much as it's gonna respect that. We're around this support. Got 4-hour close. Let's see. Oh yeah, I remember this. We're just gonna fast forward to the next day. Cause I don't want to place a trade on it like I did. I placed one yesterday. I do want to watch though. Back to the 60-minute. After we hit this, the price ended up wicking on this. What's this? Between 8. See what this next hour, if we get a close over. 5 minutes. Got rejected off that break, closed over. I'm going up into this next one. I ain't had a close over this gap yet. Trading in between bricks. Consolidate. Up, there we go. 10 minutes to close. Minute to close. Closed over. Reverse. Filled that in. New high on the day. Once we got over this, it was all good money. 27, good for the pullback. We got about 30 minutes to close on this. I'm gonna go down to the 5 minutes. I traded this yesterday. I didn't trade where we're at now, so I'm gonna go down to the 5 minutes and see what it's looking like around this level. This candle is crazy, bro. Definitely with some news in the mix. The Fed was talking. What do we touch? The 03. Pull this chart. Nope. We'll pull this down here. '04 can be my stop. So 3 is the high.
Order filled.
I only did it because it opened lower. Out of resistance. And a lot of people got left in. 04, yep, 4. Oh, we didn't get to open. Where's this open at? All the way down here. Yeah. 11. Sheesh. 126 is good, but that's a 1-to-1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got gaps down here. Let's see what's 26 on this 1-to-1. We're closer to this hourly close anyway. I want price to close on this side for the hour before I even get in. But that is like a rocket ship slingshot. Like I got it even coming up higher. Maybe at 126.15. Look at like that push up is crazy. If we reverse here, this would be like something that candle like there. I ain't never seen nothing like that. I literally touched the low and the high. Alright, we got 6 minutes to close. It is looking like it's going to close above.
Stop filled.
Yeah, stop filled. I don't see it faking. Would it open right here? Let's do buy bid.
Order submitted.
Oh no, what the heck? Oh, 2.
Order filled.
27 could have been a better pullback for an entry. I was retesting. I got in on the retest of this, but this might even be like a false breakout. I won't know till the end of this hour whether or not this was not a good entry. I do got it going from here to there. Yeah, the 5 minute it closed over, so guess that was good news. We around this next resistance. It's not even want to get up there. It touched it, but it ain't fell. Our mental stop is a close under here. 16 minutes to the close on this candle. If it don't break above, it's probably gonna come back down here. It's like 05, look like it's holding. Yeah. It ain't break above, so it look like it's coming back. It's a nice little uptrend though. Alright, we closed over it. Let's see if we can get a higher high on this candle. It literally touched our target and didn't fill us. Yeah, that close under is big. If we'd have moved to break even, we'd have been stopped out. After this trade, we're gonna end this session. We got a front run, but now we do the higher high. But next time we gotta front run this. This candle gotta be fake. Now we just playing with these hours. Just coming on 3 o'clock. It probably ain't gonna come back up here during this session. Why does it keep showing the same 60-minute candle? Oh, 05 is resistance right now. Between 09 and 02, 7 ticks. I guess 5 would be the middle. Three and a half, 3.5. It took far too long to either get stopped out or hit. It's like now that session's over. Now it's moving to the next day. And it's most likely going down. Look like we got a lower high forming
Stop
right
filled.
here. Oh, we got a lower high forming. Alright, that's all folks. Thanks for tuning in. We got a little bit of data, man. Watching our 1 hour, watching the price on the 1 hour, and how price acted after it closed under right here. It was fighting it, and then it closed under. And we got a nice, I mean, like a retest from 12 to 03, so like 9 ticks. Nice 9 tick move before it reversed. So, I mean, it's nothing's perfect. Like the brick is especially is showing us that it's worthy of being used. Even here we got to close over, then it shot up, close over again, came down. We'll retest. I mean, we'll pull back, not retest, but like retested this 16 before we started up and finished at a resistance level we drew for the 1 hour. Ultimately rolling over and maybe coming back down. It could be a higher, could be, I mean, a flag right there. We'll see. Let me see. I'll play it out. Let's see if it plays out. Or it could be coming back for a lower low. Play it out for I end this session for good. Yeah, no, it ain't no flag. That's dang. Definitely in the channel though. Okay. Not bad, not bad. That's it though. Man, thanks for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe. Uh, we back at it again tomorrow, 10 p.m. Eastern time. Testing the brick again, man. Not too shabby, man. I mean, it showed me what I wanted to see, so I'm gonna keep on using it, man. Again, appreciate y'all for watching, and yeah, catch you next time.